Yerrr! What's good? What's good? It's Dutchie Monroe coming at y'all with another video. I'm coming at y'all right now because I'm mad hype. I just went to the store and bought mad stuff. I've been shopping. I've been doing a little too much. And I wanted to come and show y'all my products because honestly, what I just did to my face. Okay, well, maybe I need a little bit more blending. Oh, what was that? The light. That's just the light. Okay, well. I mean, I did a pretty good job for somebody who don't know how to do makeup. I'm just telling you that much. I didn't know what I was doing, but I brought a bunch of stuff at the store that looked like my complexion, mixed it all together, put it on my face. I brought me a new makeup case off of Amazon, and it's like a travel bag that you can also take with you on the road. And I'm mad excited about it because I really like it. It's pretty damn big. And I did not expect that because I was looking for a regular half this size, and it actually was bigger than that. And I looked at the dimensions, but I was like, it's not going to be enough space. It's plenty. Now, I mean, I won't take this on the road with me, especially on the airport, because I'll probably have to pay another fee for this. But it's an upgrade to what I had, and I'm not going to show y'all what I had because it was nasty looking. I'm going to have the link in the description box below because I want y'all to see this. It was pretty affordable. It was like, I think $15. And look how nice this is. I took some of the compartments out and made my own spaces. It is compartmentalized that these pieces come out and you can rearrange them in different places in different ways. Got a strap too. And I thought that was really cool. Let me give y'all a up close of the inside. I would just like to show y'all the top, which I got a couple of makeup brushes in there. Some of them are downstairs because I did my face and I washed them off already. So they're drying. So this is all makeup brush slots. It got like 3 slots for them. Let me get a close up on that. Yeah. It's got another zipper pocket over here. So it's plenty of space. So what I did with that was, because I don't think I'm going to be putting anything in the zipper, I just put all these extra ones that I'm not using in there. That's how I did that, so I won't lose them, because knowing me, I won't know where I put them, where I threw them, and then I'm gonna want to change it up and switch it up, and I'll be like, well, damn, I done messed up. While I put all my makeup back in the bag, I'm going to show y'all the new products and some of the old products that I have. Come here. I do not buy expensive makeup because I barely do this and I barely know how to do this. This is actually my first time trying a little smoky eye, and I'm digging it. I don't do this often, so I don't buy Fenty and Sephora and MAC or other expensive brand out there. I don't. I just go to the beauty supply store. I look around for a good 20-30 minutes, maybe more. Try on a couple of shades on my hand. Say, What I like to do is for my lights, my concealers, I like to just put concealer for the light on this side of my arm and all the darks on the darker parts of my arm that's more tanned. So I could bronze, conceal, cover, and contour, whatever the word is, properly. Yeah, I don't know all of the terminology for makeup, like baking. I don't know what that is. I just know that after I put a cream on my face, to put a powder over it to stop it from smudging or something, just to set it, you know. That's baking. I guess I never knew that. Oh, I just found out something new. Stuff that I already have. We're gonna go with, I do buy a lot of ELF products. I do. This is new. This makeup cleansing is not really important. Everybody should have at least a cleanser to cleanse your face. Don't sleep in makeup. Some people might get drunk enough to do so. Just make sure you wash your face. e.l.f. Baked Highlight and Bronzer. That's basically almost gone. We have some 99-cent store pickup. It's a, don't know the brand because the label is blocking it, but it's a peach concealer. I know it's just concealer. It is just right there at the front in the register. You're at your last minute shopping at the register and you see something that you like and you pick it up. So that's this. Oh, it's this Pro Conceal. That's what this is. So I got two of them. I got a peach and orange corrector. I know I have like an orange hue, so it works when I got something that's too light and it blends well. So I usually put this over my eyebrows actually, and then I put this under my eyes, strictly under my eyes. Just throw it in the bag. Okay. This is another concealer that's no name on it, from the 99-cent store. Don't know how much it costs. Just picked it up. This is another brand that I like to buy from, NYX. This is also from that brand. It's a foundation. Let's see if I can get y'all to see the... I actually use it all over to base my face sometimes. Because you don't want to be caking up your face. You don't need all of that. I don't need all of that. You know what I'm saying? No. We're not clogging pores over here today. No. Can I get an amen? We're not clogging pores today. I had this for about a couple of months now. It's a powder. Contour. You see that price? Beauty Supply. And it tells you how to contour on the top too. We're gonna get that in there. So you might want to pause on that part if you don't know how to contour, because I didn't even know that was there. So I might actually start using that and see what happens. I have more e.l.f. and it's another contour palette that I don't want to use anymore. I'm throwing this out soon. Actually, I'm throwing this out now that I have new contour, or I should say concealer sticks for contouring. More e.l.f. Ooh, I just went up in the camera's face like, hello, how you doing? This is an eye primer, so I put it on before I put on all this in here. So you should actually buy this. It's a cheap brand, but you could definitely find it in Target, and you could buy something like this if you need help with your eyebrows, sis. So you just put it on your face, that side, flip it, put it on the other side, and you could create an eyebrow. So you won't be looking like a hot mess out here, sis. Like, it's your life. And it has other arches. It comes with a whole pack. I got more e.l.f. eyebrow stuff. This is almost gone, so I'm going to throw this out because I want to get another eyebrow. I don't even use this, really. I don't like it. Then we have eyeshadow from e.l.f. And I felt like I should just bring this up because I really like this eyeshadow. More e.l.f. Mostly e.l.f. products that I buy. I even got e.l.f. brushes. This is a high definition under eye setting powder. Boom. I'm about to put it. I have a whole bunch of... I ain't buying nothing new out of here. It's... Let's see. Okay, this is all mascara. So we got... It's a color mascara. This is blue mascara or purple. Oh, wow. That's old because the top just... It's purple mascara. My mascara is old, so I might have to start throwing these out soon too. This is an actual expensive one. From Sally's. Build a Lash. You're not going to see that. This is cheap. This makes your eyelashes, what is that when they bulk up? Mega Length from Wet n Wild. 4 eyeliners. one from e.l.f. This is a felt tip. This is also from e.l.f. or it's some cheap. It's a cheap one. It's a cheap one. It's one of them cheap. Where is it? 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 It's coming? No, it's gone. Oh. Oh, there's nothing in there. So that's going in the garbage too. It's another felt. Oh, this is from e.l.f. for sure. Another felt. This is from Sally's. Dramatist Femme Couture. It's gotta be the same brand. Now for eyebrows. Got a e.l.f. eyebrow brush. NYX eyebrow pencil in brown. And Perfect Brow Filler. Because I'm not putting all of this in the description box. So you might want to write it down if you want to try these brands. Oh no, another old one that was hiding. Some bronzer and blush from e.l.f. Now my new stuff. That's all we got left. We're going to go to the concealers. I have a Click concealer. It clicks. And I have medium neutral, medium pink undertone, deep olive undertone, and deep neutral. For these are two is for the darks. These two for the lights. For the lights. I'm gonna get beat tomorrow. I might make a get ready with me and show you how long it takes, because it takes forever to do my makeup. This was in Target. Some bronzer from, don't know the company. Telling you, I just be in Target looking for stuff and I don't even know. And it was on sale. When I say cheap, I mean cheap. $4.20. $4.20. This is a Sunkissed Radiant Bronzer Medium Pro Bronzer from Beauty Supply Store. This Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is from Target. Black Radiance. Let's get that. The last but not least, eyeshadows from e.l.f. I got, make sure it's the right way so y'all can read it right. Everyday Smoky and Naked Prism. Basically, I use the Everyday Smoky for this. Even 2 packs of makeup cleansers fit into that bag with all of that stuff. And speaking of what else I got over Amazon, wig stand. I told y'all in the wig review that I didn't have a wig stand, and I brought one that looks like a whole tripod for about $20. And I think no, it didn't come with the head. The head came separately. I brought the head separately because I got a big ass head, so I made sure I had a big ass mannequin head. And basically this is it right here. And then it has a piece where you can fit the head on. Just put this in here, stick it on or whatever. Boom, boom. Call it a day. I'm not putting it together right now. I was just showing y'all. I'm gonna be plucking that wig soon. And this is, oh Jesus, my mannequin head. It came in this nice little pink bag. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. I'm hyped. Oh, it also has one that clips to the table, so that's lit. I'm hyped for that. I did not know it came with that. I just know it was a big ass head for my big ass head. And ooh, it came with pins and all of that, so that's lit. So I think this was also $20. So with the wig stand, $20, this $20, $40. That's not too bad. And then the wig stand also came with these clips clips, more wig clips, a weaving net, a weaving cap, a comb, and clips. I think that is so amazing. Like, that's a really good haul if you ask me. That was my little Amazon haul, if you will, or a little shopping haul, because I went from Amazon to Target and beauty supply stores. So my little makeup and wig haul. How about that? I'll see y'all next time, guys. Like and subscribe. Till next time, later.